so much better. Watch these cats and laugh out loud, just starting a new day. If you're worried that watching too much TV will harm your eyes, Kitty will help you. Working too much is not good for health. Must have been what Mew Mew meant.
Ito atin mo.
Pets are great creators when they can create a lot of games for them. Adding complexity to every single thing you do must be Kitty's part-time job. What a great way to check the health of your teeth. Kitty can always motivate you to clean up. When your pet wants you to go to bed early. The top one flirting you can't ignore.
No, stop it. Spice. What?
Say no to learning must be the message he wants to convey. You'll be surprised to know that cats are very concerned about their skin when drinking a lot of water. Understanding Kitty is impossible when they always have their own way to act. Sometimes, pets express their thoughts very clearly through the action. Let's play together or you stop playing.
Come on, stop. Stop. I'm trying to play the game here. Stop.
Looks like Kitty wants to cosplay as a mysterious person today. He contributed to the culinary scene when he invented the way to eat paper. Undeniably, pets always have 1,000 ways for you to not refuse their request.
No, you don't get...
Why do we love each other but have to leave each other? Must be his question.
Please let me go.
Kitty's actions have proven that a handsome man cannot be easily ignored. The truth is that Trouble is just another pet name.
Are you typing?
Instead of giving you a choice between Kitty and work, Kitty will help you choose him.
A happy catty. Oh, yeah. You just dropped my little typey thing.
Sometimes you'll get a valuable lesson from animals. Life is the most important. You'll probably never see a cat in a high jump competition. It seems Kitty's goal is to discover all the cuisines in the world. When the switch of the cat's body is slow, be like,
No? You're not gonna react? Oh. Do it, chill.
items that are not yours will eventually leave you, is what we realized after this scramble. Skipping a bed as precious as a human is probably something a kitten can't do. The only thing that Kitty can endure is breaking the peace.
This is not okay. Why you... It's...
The extraordinary thing that a cat can do is create problems at any time. Instead of choosing peace, pets always choose memorable moments. Surely the slogan of the kittens, "There's nothing you dare not do." Kitty doesn't worry about being lonely when she can be friends with anything. It seems Kitty is afraid that you will be on time for school.
Hey.
How does paper taste? Is probably a question that cats get asked many times. If discovering everything will make money, Kitty must be a millionaire.
Ey, ¿quién te crees que eres? ¿Tomás? ¿Tomás? ¡No! ¡Ey! ¿Sí, señor?
You will save money on changing eyeglasses with a personal attendant like this.
Stop! Stop!
Surely this cat version of Kaido Kid should hone his stealing skills more. Parents' work will be much lighter when the leg can also be friends with the pet. No fear can hold you back, is what he completely proves. When courage is in the wrong place,